my crafty friends, it's Jenny from Origami Tree, and today we're going to learn how to make this cute itty bitty paper bow. To make the bow, you're going to need a strip of paper, some glue, a pair of scissors, and this is completely optional, but I like to have a itty bitty clip to hold the paper together while the glue dries. First, take your strip of paper and fold it in half. Now with the open side facing up and the closed side facing down towards you, you're going to take your pair of scissors and we are going to make a fish shape almost. So we're going to start from the bottom and we are going to go around like this to cut the body of a fish. Stop right about there, and then we're going to finish it off like that, right at the corner. So let's flip it around and do the exact same thing on this side. Start from the bottom. I'm going to go around. Just think Swedish fish, guys. Meet right about there. And then finish it off right at the corner. Let's open it up. Take your pair of scissors and we're going to cut a little bit past halfway, right at this nook over here. Now you want to be careful not to cut all the way. Have a little slit. Rotate. Do the exact same thing here. So you're going to go straight up. Go about halfway through. Then you want to fold in half like that. And we're going to put these two slits together. So there should be an opening here and here. We're going to slip it. And it's going to fit right in. Here's a little fishy. Now let's open it up from the back like that. And squish. Take some glue and we're going to dab it right at the center on the inside. And then hold it down with the binder clip. And now you just want to curve these two kind of flaps at the back, and you just want to rotate it slightly at an angle to create that bow shape. Then you're going to dab some glue right at the back. Repeat the same thing on this side. Turn it around and let it dry. Once the glue is dry, we're going to remove this clip. And our itty bitty paper bow is complete. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy that, be sure you give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe for crafty fun all year round. Bye!